Hey guys, so it is Monday. It's day 2 here in Outer Banks. We're in Emerald Isle, and we've already shared like our house tour and everything. And honestly, I don't know if this footage is part of yesterday's vlog or a new vlog or what. We're kind of just winging it the whole time we're here. But last week, you may have seen on our channel, we just went ahead and posted like some montages of some old vacations, so I could actually, I don't know, have a break, have a vacation while we're here. So I thought I would come down in the garage, and I think they have some like beach chairs. I guess I'll grab one of these. So the kids already went down. Ken's gonna come down as well to the beach, and it's a crummy, chilly day. I mentioned this already once, that we actually left nicer weather to come here, but that's okay because we're on vacation and we're still having a blast. We're making the best of every day. Here's our pool area, and the pool is pretty cold. It's probably like 68 degrees would be my guess. Ocean right over the fence there. Problem is you gotta walk down past that other house to get to the little bridge area to get down to the beach. So I'm trying to think the best way to get there. Let me just make sure the front door is locked. It's our front entrance here. Okay, they must have went out the front door because that was unlocked. So I locked that and I'll go out the back. It's really windy, and I didn't wear any shoes, and I don't have a wind thingy on my camera, so sorry about that. See, let's walk over here, and there's like this little gazebo thing that we're actually allowed to use. It's just one house over. This is our neighbor's house, but we can use this. And then there's also a fire pit thing right there. We can use that too if we want. See, there's our house right there, the gray one. I'll show you once we get out the beach what it looks like from the back view. Is the water cold?
The water's warmer than sand.
Really? You're not going in the water, Carl? Hey guys, welcome back to Our Family Nest. So today is Tuesday, so it is day 3 here in the Outer Banks, and we are getting ready to leave for dinner. We actually spent some time outside earlier today just around the pool. Karli and Jaden went for a walk on the beach. I read an entire book. If you want to keep up on what books I like, follow our Instagram, Our Family Nest, and I have like a, what are those called? I have a highlight thingy with all the books that I read and kind of like what I think about them and that sort of thing. So I just went around the house and turned on all the lights in all the front rooms because when we get home from dinner, I want the house to be lit up. I just think it'll look cool because when we pull back here, it's like dark, but I want all the lights to be turned on and we'll see what it looks like. I know, weird, probably, right? All right, so we're getting ready to go to dinner. So the girls are all dressed up. Karli, you can see the clothes on the floor. She's changed about 5 times.
I'm not a fan of my fit.
I think it's very cute.
They're forcing me to wear it.
It's cute.
So cute.
And Asha has had a Brandy Melville dress.
Yes.
Very cute. Yep, we're leaving.
Did you put it into
Where are we going? What's this place called? 6:20. Thought we were leaving. Let's go. Everyone's ready. Waiting for you. Yep, you're the last one.
Yeah, where they choose it once a year.
It's raining again. We're going into Flipper's Family Bar and Grill. Looks like we might be a little overdressed. Ken's trying to go in the wrong door. It's Taco Tuesday. It's Taco Tuesday. So we decided to come to this restaurant called Rucker John's. The kids think they're cool. They're sitting all the way over there without us. Ken got steak, I got pasta, Elena got chicken, and Blake.
I'm on a diet right now.
He's fasting. He's fasting? What are you fasting for?
June.
You're not eating until your birthday? That's how many days from now?
2 weeks almost, or less than 2 weeks.
What day's your birthday on?
Really?
It's a week after we get back. No, what day? Oh, what day of the week? It's on the 28th. What day of the week is that?
Sunday. So it's gonna be a big
Oh, yeah, I don't think so.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? I'm not throwing you a party.
You don't have to. I'll stay in your room. I'll take care of it.
Did you approve of this?
The only thing I don't understand, this isn't a jab or anything.
I'm already know. Let me guess. Why his friends have to go in and out, in and out, in and out.
I just don't understand. That's the only thing I'm asking.
I literally such a
This.
He runs like Paul Blart. He goes.
I'm not going through that. What would be the point?
I thought he kept going.
Here's Blake's bird. His name is Squishy Pants.
No, Fago.
What?
Fago.
Fago? Blueberry Fago?
Cream soda. Fago.
What? Oh my gosh. Jaden didn't run any better.
I know.
Here's our house with the lights on, but I'm sad because it's raining.
You can't even see anything.
It's just not the picture that I was trying to create. Oh, isn't that pretty with all the lightning?
You saw a girl in a black dress.
I would probably
That would be fun because we could try to find her.
The woman in the window?
Yeah. What's the beeping?